Yo, what is up? It's your boy AMPM coming to you with an AMPM unboxing. Out of breath. This is the mobile gaming clip. You connect it to your Xbox controller and your phone to it, and you can play some games. I'll be back in a sec to show you what's inside. Be back. Ooh, we have our handy dandy knife right here. This is the big boy edition. Shout out to my cousin for giving this to me. This will open up anything that stands in our way. So right now what we have standing in our way is this pretty cool mobile gaming clip. This is made by Power A. It's called Moga, and it's for the wireless Xbox controller. The reason why I picked this up is because I'm playing some games on the xCloud. Right now they're doing a thing called a test flight, which is like a beta program for those that are on iOS, which is the Apple ecosystem. And if anybody that knows about my channel, we're all about the Apple ecosystem because that's our preferred choice. We love it so much. Even though we got a PC in the house, I prefer to do pretty much all my work on the Apple system. Obviously it's not meant for gaming, but other than that, we love Apple here. This is not an Apple product. This is an Xbox product. But we also like cloud gaming. We have the Stadia hooked up in the house through our internet, through the controller, where we play that sometimes. But for the most part, I've been digging this xCloud thing because it's built right into the Xbox ecosystem. And I'm saying ecosystem a lot, but that's true because like Xbox has its own ecosystem. If you ever play any games on Xbox, your Battle Pass and your Games Pass all hooks up together. So through the Games Pass, you can play games on the Xbox and also on the PC, and then your Battle Pass is connected through all those services. So whatever achievements that you get, it transfers over to all those systems. And with their cloud streaming service about to premiere pretty soon, which is also included in the Microsoft Xbox Live and Games Pass, it's going to be like a full-fledged system. So you can pretty much play your games anywhere on the go, which is pretty exciting for me because that's kind of what I'm looking for. When I'm traveling, I have my Switch on me, but sometimes you want to get back into that game that you've been grinding in. Like Red Dead Redemption 2, I have not picked that up or even played it, is because I know the grind on that game is so long that I need to have an option where when I'm traveling, I can be able to play that game. And that's where this clip comes into play. Because with the cloud gaming service, you can play this on your phone. And since we are an Apple primarily family here, we just need to have the iOS beta cruising through our house. Oh, I opened it up before I even showed you the box. So we have here the front of the box, which shows you what the clip does. What we have here is an articulating arm and a grip for the phone. And that hooks up to the controller, as you see here. It's a very simple device. It's probably made all of plastic, but we're going to let you know what it looks like inside. I don't expect the box to be a premium type of deal because this thing is not that expensive at all. It's just pure plastic. And then what we have here is the device. Pretty cool. Yeah, so basically his little articulating arm, just one piece. And you can hear it like, you know, snap into place as I move it from one area to another. Pretty sure this opens up so you can click it and then you can just lock that into place. So yeah, that clips the controller on there and it clips onto your phone. Okay, we're back. I have all my accessories here. Here is the Xbox controller. Here is the game clip. So just let me give you a little demonstration of how this hooks on to your controller. The controller's kind of dirty a little bit. I've been using this one quite a bit. I have the Elite 2, as you know, in the previous unboxings, but let's just clip this on to here and see what it looks like. So I'm assuming it fits in like this, which it does. Look, it just snaps right into place. Right there, that's the premium spot. You just hear it click right into the hole. Designed specifically for the Xbox. Look at that, see that? right in the back. All those things are open for you to have access to them. This thing can move any way you want it based on the look and feel of how you hook your phone up. You got my phone here, got my Diva skin on, so let's just connect this to the iPhone. I got my iPhone right here. Ooh! Oh, right there. That's perfect. Let's tighten this boy up. Get that nice and tight. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. How do you say that? Ah, yes. That's an old Saturday Night Live reference. Alright, now we're right into the game. xCloud is up on the phone. We have our little controller ready to go. We're so excited for this. I'm going to give you a little test preview of why I picked up this mobile gaming clip. Pretty sweet. Pretty awesome. So it takes a bit for the streaming service to connect, but once it's set up, we can get right into it. It's pretty awesome. I mean, I was playing this on my iPad. It was super sweet. There's some hiccups on the xCloud gaming system. Obviously, they're going to try to work them out. But for the most part, what we're excited about this is that we can go play games while we're on the run. And when you have Games Pass, they give you like a whole selection of games you can play. So like if you need to like finish a game pretty quick, you can do that pretty easily by just carrying your phone with you and also a controller, and you can have it ready to go. So like as you can see, we have Halo on the sound. We're getting right into it. Earlier I was playing a little bit of the campaign for the first Halo game because I never played it before. So I'm pretty excited. So we'll play Halo right now. So let's resume. And let's turn the brightness on the screen so you can see what's going on. There we go. Oh. There we go. See, in the first Halo, there's no running, so it's kind of cheap because, like, nowadays you just press the left click in and you start running, but this one you can't run, so you just have to walk. It's kind of like one of the very first games you had in a long time. Even like the button controls were kind of like have a weird setup that I'm not really used to. There we go, there we go. Yeah, so this is the reason why I picked it up. It's pretty cool. Okay, that's the unboxing of this super sweet mobile gaming clip. I hope you like it. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And let us know in the comments what you think about this stuff. So far, I like the xCloud streaming service quite a bit. I'll give it a quick rating. I think it's probably about like a 7.5. It's not yet ready to like for prime time. There's some like artifacts that go on. There's some lag here and there. But in terms of like Stadia, they're pretty much on par. I mean, I think when they work out the kinks, it's going to be a pretty good alternative to like having a console, I think. So, this is the video for everybody. Peace.